truck supposedly had a V8 in it before. I'm nowhere near home. This mount's a mile off. The whole thing's got to rotate like this, and this is all up on that little piece that's coming out. So I'm gonna have to take it out and put the hammer to it. I really don't see yeah, I guess I have the room. I don't know how much different a small block and an LS is in this aspect, but I definitely don't have the room here, so I'm gonna have to take a hammer to that and finesse it. Well, Amazon, eBay, I don't know where I bought these headers here, but struck again. It said they were for this swap, and I was skeptical because they're less than $100. And my customer, he's got, this is like an 86, 87. He's got the round body style 85, I think, 88, or I'm sorry, 95, 98. We're getting ready to do an LS swap to his. He bought these Hooker headers. These are meant for these trucks. You can see that even fits pretty well even in the older body style, and it gives you the clearance. So I'm kind of glad that I was able to try that out. Now I know. I even tried the factory manifold, but like this part out here was too far out, and I haven't taken the heat shield off, but like all out in this area is just too far. I don't exactly know how, but it is. So I don't know. I gotta mess with this stuff, and I'm cheap. I'll probably wind up modifying the factory manifolds since you can weld on them. I don't know how much these are. I don't know what he paid for them, but I kind of figured that wasn't going to work. But I achieved my goal for today. All I wanted to do was set this engine in place. It's in place. You saw how I had to flip the mounts around. I had them so far to where the engine was really close to the firewall, which I think that's about right, where it's at right there. I'm going to be running an electric fan, so the engine's going to be tilted up just a little bit once the transmission gets back there, and I may have to adjust it slightly forward or backward. But that was my goal for today. I got to get the rest of my videos up. I've got the roll cages in, which I'll probably have this video up before I have that video up, just because that video, it's a lot. It's like 3 hours worth of video footage to edit. Well, more than that, actually. The last bit of this, the third video that I'm editing right now, was 6 hours worth of work, 6 to 8 hours worth of work. So I have to compress that down into, I don't know how many more, but she is completely done. Now I have to, my little dash that I made, I have to cut the dash to make that fit in here. So that's another thing I got to do.